Hello again. My name is Cord Sanksteak. I'm a design engineer here at Sheldon Manufacturing, and today I'm going to be introducing the SRI3 space-saving low-temperature incubator. This compact 3 cubic foot incubator is able to cool well below ambient, making it ideal for a wide range of laboratory applications. Designed for life science researchers and laboratory professionals, this compact yet powerful incubator delivers unparalleled temperature stability and space efficiency for your critical research. Let's take a look inside the unit. The first thing that you will notice is the stainless steel and polymer constructed chamber. These are both corrosion resistant materials, and that will help increase the longevity of your unit. Next, you will see the pre-installed, removable, and repositionable door shelving. This will allow you to store anything inside the door of your unit, or remove them if you don't want to. Located in here, you will find the other two pre-included shelves. These are constructed out of stainless steel, and there are 3 positions for the larger shelf. If you would like to order more, as there are 3 slots, please refer to your user manual. Next, you will find the drip tray. This helps collect water that's produced during incubation and helps prevent water from dripping onto your samples. Located behind this grate is the circulation fan. And out through these louvered holes, it provides excellent air circulation to keep the temperature stable and uniform within the chamber. Last, you will see the convenience outlet located on the rear of the unit. This will allow you to power any devices that you want to have located inside the chamber while the unit is running. Located on the back of the unit is the pre-installed power cord. This is non-removable and country specific, so please make sure that you order the correct version when you're referencing our website. It must be connected to a properly grounded electrical outlet. Once you turn the unit on using the main power switch, the control panel becomes available. Much like many of our other products, the first thing you will see is the digital temperature display. The user, using these 2 buttons right here, is able to increase, decrease, or overall change the set point of their unit, as well as calibrate it should they need to. When this indicator light is on, current is flowing through the heating elements. Moving below, and much like the rest of our products that use this same device, you will see the over temperature limiter. Adjusting this knob allows the user to set a set point where current will be cut off to the heating elements. This will prevent overheating of your sample. Located below is the over temperature light. When this is on, current is completely cut off from the heating elements. When laboratory space is at a premium and budget is a chief concern, our Shell Lab SRI3 space-saving low-temperature incubators are perfect for your needs. They feature forced air circulation, the ability to cool below ambient, as well as precise, stable, and uniform temperature control. For these reasons and many others, this product is ideal for your needs in the life science, pharmaceutical, biotech, and microbiological research fields.